Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a lovely day. Today guys, I have a shopping haul for you. So yes, I have a shopping haul. This is from last weekend. Instead of doing anything kind of romantic, I guess, for Valentine's Day, Chris and I went for the day to the Metro Centre and to Ikea. If you don't know, the Metro Centre is in Gateshead, Newcastle, and it is a huge shopping centre and they have an Ikea near there. So I'm just going to show you what I picked up from there. So it's not the biggest haul ever, and I did also do a Primark haul while I was there, but I'm going to film that separately, so that will be coming on Thursday. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the one item of that I got from New Look, and it's the only item of clothing on this haul, so we'll get it out of the way. So this is something that I had seen on New Look's Instagram, possibly my local store's New Look, their Instagram, and I just really liked the colour. And it's this kind of midi maxi dress with 3/4 sleeve. It's in this lovely bluey colour, kind of almost animal print-esque. And I just thought it was really, really pretty. However, now that I've got it, I'm not entirely sure about the fit. I think it's a little unflattering on me, it's a little shapeless, and I don't know if I like how I look in this, so I am thinking I'm going to take this back. It's a shame because the colour of it I absolutely love, and if it just shaped more around the waist, I think it would be one of my favourite new dresses. But I tried it with a belt and I didn't think it really worked because of how the lines sat, so I just don't think it's for me. I got it in a size 10 and it is a perfect kind of fit if the shape worked for me. It was £19.19 if anybody's interested. It is a lovely, lovely dress. The colour is fab. I just don't know if the shape's for me. And I could keep it, and then when I'm wearing it, I feel a little self-conscious that I don't like it. So I thought, you know, I might just take it back and get something that I might actually enjoy more, because New Look have some lovely things. So I think I'm actually going to take this back tomorrow maybe, or the day after, and yeah, try and find something different, because unfortunately this one's a bit of a miss. Next, I actually went into Superdrug, even though I've done a Superdrug haul this month. Can't resist. And the Superdrug in the Metro Centre is amazing. They have like every product in there. The ones that I usually go to don't have every single range or every single thing that I'm looking for, which is why I usually do online orders. But the Metro Centre Superdrug was fabulous. However, it was ridiculously busy. It was a Saturday that we went, but blinking heck, you had to like fight your way through people. So it's good that Superdrug's popular. I went in because I wanted to try and get the concealer in a darker shade that I couldn't get online. So that's kind of the only thing I went in for. Possibly some mini shampoos, which I completely forgot about in the kind of mad dash to get around and through the crowds. But I'll show you what I did pick up. Okay, so the very first thing then, I picked up the concealer, but I didn't pick up the concealer that I went in for. They didn't have the super size conceal and define, which is what I would usually use. They only had the smaller version, or they had this one, and it is Revolution's new Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. It's long wear, crease proof with niacinamide for infinite coverage. So niacinamide's like a great blemish fighting, pore busting kind of ingredient, and the fact it guarantees like 16-hour wear sounds fabulous. So this one is possibly more expensive than the super size, or the other one works out. It is £6 and we get 5 mils in here, but I think that's going to last like a good few weeks. And if it's something that you don't need topping up, I mean, to be fair, the Conceal and Define, I don't really find that I need to top up too much. Maybe like if I've done a whole day work and then I'm going out somewhere after work, I might need to top up places a little. But hopefully with this one, I won't have to at all. It sounds really, really nice. So I got this in a C5, which is to match the darker foundation that I have to go on holiday with. So I'm hoping this will be really nice. I can maybe try and film a video putting this on while I'm over there, if you guys are interested, while I'm on holiday. I should probably mention actually that next week I will be away, so there probably won't be any videos up next week because I'm in a mad dash to pack and to just get everything ready, so I don't know if I'm going to find the time to pre-film extra videos. But while I'm there, I will be filming a lot, so this might be one that I do. I mean, it is obviously a chill out, relax kind of holiday, but there will definitely be videos filmed. I actually have 2 face masks I'm thinking of taking and filming a Face Mask Friday with, so there's going to be plenty of stuff. Okay, the next things then, I will stick with Revolution, and these are from I Heart Revolution. I got some bath fizzers. Now, these were on offer down to £2.66. Love my bathroom at the minute, love a good bath. And I've had the last Revolution or I Heart Revolution bath fizzer that I tried. I really, really liked. So I thought I'd get these more gimmicky ones. I almost got the chili pepper one as well, but I thought, I don't know if these are supposed to smell, but if they're supposed to smell, you know, banana's going to smell amazing. So I got the banana one and the avocado one. And I'm looking forward to trying these. Keep an eye on my Instagram account because I'll probably post a little video when I do get around to trying these. Oh my God, I could maybe take one on holiday. The place where I'm staying, we went last year, and they have my dream bath. It's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, keep an eye out. I may take one with me, I may not. Let's see how much luggage allowance I have. Almost forgot about this one. I got another Revolution product, and I got one of their nail products. Now, instead of a polish, which I do love their polishes, I'm actually planning on putting some of that on holiday, I got their Care and Repair nail treatment because this winter my nails have been atrocious. I've actually got some of this on now. I'm hoping it's helping. I just put it on yesterday. Yeah, so this has tea tree oil in it. It's got vitamin E and arginine, whatever that is. So it's a care and repair. Oh my goodness. Complex of arginine, tea tree oil and vitamin E actives to help awaken tired looking nails. It can be used as a base coat, or you can use it on its own to give a natural shine to nails. And it says to use with any Revolution nail polish to bring your colour to life. So I'm just hoping something that might help sort my nails out. They have been kind of shocking this winter, constantly breaking, and I can't see. I used to have lovely long nails. I've always taken care of my nails. I don't really know what's going on. One of my favourite products to use is OPI Nail Envy. I haven't had that for a while, so it could be that I haven't got that. I'm hoping this might be kind of a dupe. It's similar colours in the packaging. It might not be, but I'm going to give it a good go. And I almost forgot the price. So this was £4. So if this is anything like the Nail Envy, it's a heck of a lot cheaper. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how that plays out. It goes on really nice and kind of leaves your nails with a bit of a shine. So it, you know, it's nice. Okay, the very last item then that I picked up from Superdrug was this Colour Lash Colour Mascara from, I think it's from Collection? Yeah, from Collection. I've had this before. It's just £1.99, and I actually bought it thinking I do kind of use it to keep unruly eyebrows tamed, as it were. But I do remember that I have a new Anastasia wand that will do that. But other than that, I might actually use this on my lashes since I don't need it for my eyebrows, which is what I bought it for. Just kind of like if you're on holiday, I don't find waterproof mascara that brilliant. None that I've tried anyway. Let me know if I'm wrong. But I have fairly decent lashes anyway, so maybe like on a lunchtime or heading out for breakfast, I'll pop a bit of this on just to give them a bit more oomph. But yeah, this is good for taming eyebrows. I'm getting those done tomorrow because these are really unruly at the minute. Okay, so moving on from Superdrug then, I went into TKMaxx and HomeSense. Absolutely amazing. Could have come out with, well, most of the shop had I had the money. But I only picked up 2 things, but I think they're really nice. Okay, so firstly, we have this super cute lunch bag that looks like a panda. This is from Sass & Belle, and it should have been £12, and I got it for £4.99. I'm after a new lunchbox at the moment. I was actually going to get one of the daft little lunch bags from Primark. They're like £2, but then I saw this, and I love pandas, and I just couldn't resist this. And like the little ears, that cute little heart-shaped nose, those big eyes, I just thought it was super cute. So that'll be really handy to take into work. Okay, the next item might be my favourite thing that I picked up that entire day. I absolutely love this. I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice because I tried to send a video of the bag to my mum and sister, but it didn't quite show up. It is this absolutely stunning Steve Madden bag. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's super pearlescent. It's like a silvery colour, but in there it's got like purple, greeny, bluey, just so many stunning shades. It's like a shiny rainbow. So it comes with like a little chain strap that you can obviously hold by hands, or you do have the longer one to use as like a shoulder strap. And honestly, it's one of the prettiest things that I own. I love it. So it has a clasp at the top and it opens out like so. I just think this bag is beautiful. So this cost me, I don't think the tag's on there, but it cost me £24, which is probably also the most expensive thing that I picked up that day. But that is just stunning. I'm probably going to take it on holiday with me because I won't need an awful lot on a night to take out. So that is beautiful and it's going to last for years, I think. It's just super duper pretty. I hope it's coming up for you guys because honestly, it's definitely one of the prettiest things that I own. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to move on to Ikea now. I have been talking, well, I've been trying to plan for well over a year and a half, possibly since we moved into our house 3 years ago. Doing out one of the rooms is kind of like a beauty room, which will also be like a filming room. I have the floor in my garage I bought last December, not the one gone, the one beforehand. And I'd seen things in Ikea I wanted to get for it, like furniture and stuff. So basically we went in to kind of look at that in person. I think I know what I want when we finally get around to decorating that room. But I also picked up a couple of like bits to go in there when we do get around to it, just little accessories. Okay, so I'll start with a couple of daft candles. This one I kind of thought is kind of the aesthetics I kind of want for that room. I kind of want it to be white furniture with pink accents and maybe like some jungly greens and then like rose gold kind of accents. And this candle was kind of like a bit dusky pink with that jungle-esque green in there, and I thought that's really nice. It's an unscented candle, but I think it's like £1.75 and it gets 25 hours of burning, or it will just look super cute on the shelf. So Ikea do some fab candles. Sticking with the candle theme then, I got another one. This one's like in a grey, but I got it mostly because of the smell. I'm thinking that the grey will look nice in my living room or in one of the bathrooms. And it smells amazing. I don't think it actually says, but it's like a really sweet, vanilla-y kind of sweety kind of smell. It just smells so nice, really nice. So that's a Baldoft. Yeah, don't expect me to be reading these Ikea names out wonderfully. We all know I'm like with names and things. So yeah, that is a candle. And I think that was also £1.75. I also got my sister one of these actually as a housewarming present. And I don't have it here, but I did because I have given it to my sister. I also got one of the Ikea toolkits because I think that's something every house should have. Chris and I have two like in our house, and they're just super useful, especially when it comes to putting up like Ikea furniture and things and just various jobs around the house really. So yeah, I'll move on. Okay, next I got a pink vase and I just thought it was really nice. This is the type of pink that I'm hoping to have it in that room, like a lovely dusky pink. So it's kind of got these lines and then a plain bottom. I just thought the shape was kind of really nice and the colour was ideal. Obviously I can't find my Ikea receipt, but I believe this was £8. So, and this one is called, does it have a name? It doesn't have a name, thank God, let's be honest. But it's really, really pretty. It can obviously be found in the like decorative section of Ikea. £8 isn't bad. It's like really good quality. And like I said, the perfect colour, just what I was looking for. So to go in that, I also got a flower arrangement, which I believe was £7. And in here, it's got the jungle green leaf like I wanted. It's got some like purpley pinky accents that I think will kind of go really nicely with the vase. I mean, it'll probably want rearranging a bit better, but I thought maybe like on one of the drawers as a background for me or something when I eventually get around to it. I thought it would look really nice. That was £7 and this was £8. So £15 isn't bad really for like this nice little arrangement. I also couldn't resist getting one of these. I'll probably actually maybe get some more and make a feature out of them. I got this huge kind of palm leaf type of a tropical leaf doodah. I've completely forgotten the type of leaf this is, but isn't it so cute? This was £3.50. Again, it's that kind of jungle-esque greenness that I wanted. There's accents in the room and I really like the shape of these leaves. I think they're really nice. Oh, this one has a name, look. Smicka. Anyway, yeah, £3.50. So I did think originally maybe I could get 2 or 3 of them to go in this kind of vase, chop them down a little. But then, I don't know, I might make a feature out of getting a couple more and then doing something with, I don't know. But that's the kind of colours I was wanting, was this green and this in there. So, perfect. Okay, so that is actually everything I picked up at Ikea in the Metro Centre, other than quite a lot of food, to be honest. We started off in Five Guys. I had the veggie sandwich, it was so good. And then we shared some fries, they were amazing, and they give you so many. We had a pretzel, we had a Krispy Kreme donut, and then we finished the day on a Wagamama. So it was a shopping heavy and food heavy day. It was fab. So like I say, this is everything I picked up other than what I picked up from Primark. I'm going to do that in a separate video on Thursday, because otherwise I'd be here chatting away all day. So guys, that's everything. Let me know if you've tried any of the things I picked up. Let me know if you like the look of anything. You know, just drop me a comment and say hi. I don't know. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button, give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe. It'll be great to have you here, and obviously you'll get that notification when I put up my Primark haul. And I've got Christmas Friday coming also this week. So yeah, stick around. Obviously remember, next week I won't be uploading because I will be away. I actually go away at the end of this week, so just haven't had the time. I haven't even packed yet. I'm stressing out. I hate everything that I own. So yes. Anyway, I'm blabbing on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.